To add a compare it price on Shopify, start by understanding what it is and how it can benefit your store. The compare it price is the original price of a product before any discounts or sales. It is used to show customers how much they are saving by purchasing the product at the sale price. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Select the product you want to add a compare it price to and click on the Edit button. Scroll down to the Pricing section and click on the Add Compare It Price button. Enter the original price of the product in the Compare It Price field. This should be the price the product was sold at before any discounts or sales. Make sure to enter the price without any currency symbols or commas. Once you have entered the Compare It price, click on the Save button to update the product. The Compare It price will now be displayed on the product page, along with the sale price. This will give customers a clear idea of how much they are saving by purchasing the product at the sale price. To make the most of the Compare It price feature, make sure to use it consistently across your store. This will help build trust with your customers and give them a clear understanding of the value they are getting. It is also a good idea to use the Compare It price feature in conjunction with other marketing strategies, such as sales and promotions, to maximize its impact. By following these steps and using the Compare It price feature effectively, you can increase sales and revenue on your Shopify store. The Compare It price feature is a powerful tool that can help you build trust with your customers and give them a clear understanding of the value they are getting.